Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
A docket call is one of those court terms you might hear but not fully understand, so let's break it down. Simply put, a docket call is an administrative court hearing where a judge goes through a list, or docket, of pending cases to find out their current status. Think of it like a big status meeting or a roll call for lawsuits. It is not a trial. You won't be presenting evidence, arguing facts, or calling witnesses. The main purpose is all about case management. Courts have incredibly busy schedules, and docket calls help the judge organize that schedule, move cases along, clear out old ones, and determine which ones are actually ready to proceed to trial. It's a vital tool for keeping the wheels of justice turning efficiently. So what actually happens during one? A judge will call out the case number and the names of the parties involved. The attorneys for each side, or you if you are representing yourself, will then approach the judge's bench. The judge will ask for a simple update on the case. This is the moment to inform the court about where things stand. There are a few common outcomes from this brief interaction. First, if both sides announce they are ready for trial, the judge will likely set a specific date for the trial to begin, moving your case into its final phase. Second, one or both parties might need more time to prepare. This is called requesting a continuance. Perhaps you still need to gather evidence, interview witnesses, or complete what's called the discovery process. If the judge grants the continuance, the case is simply rescheduled for a future docket call or hearing. Third, the parties may have already resolved their dispute outside of court. If you've reached a settlement, the lawyers will announce it to the judge, and the case will be closed once the final paperwork is filed. Finally, and this is the most critical point to understand, a case can be dismissed. If a plaintiff or their attorney fails to show up for the docket call, the judge has the power to dismiss the entire lawsuit. Conversely, if a defendant is a no-show, the judge could enter a default judgment against them, meaning they automatically lose the case. This is why attending a docket call is absolutely mandatory. It is a formal court appearance with very serious consequences for missing it. Even though the part concerning your specific case might only last a few minutes, its impact is enormous, as it dictates the very next step in your legal journey. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful in explaining what a docket call is, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple explanations of the legal world. We'll see you in the next video.